So how do you synchronize iPhone photo gallery with the Google Photos app? That is something a lot of people need to look up. So let me cover it in this video. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So of course, make sure you have the Google app and the Google Photos app installed on your device, and then go to your settings, check out the apps section at the bottom, and go specifically to the Google Photos, right? So you can find it sorted alphabetically. It's pretty easy to find. And there are a few things which you need to have set up in here. First of all, it's the Photos access. So naturally, make sure that the app has full access to your photos, not just partial access, because that isn't going to work out in the long term. Also, I personally keep it turned on for the background app refresh, and the reason is that I want the app to also be active in the background, so whenever I capture a photo through my camera, it not only gets saved to my Apple gallery, but it will also be moved and is synchronized with the Google Photos as well. The reason is that it's of course using the background activity, and it can do it at any time. And there is also the cellular data toggle, which I personally keep turned on as well, because if I'm in a situation without the Wi-Fi or if I'm on the go, I also want my photos to be automatically synced and uploaded to the Google Cloud services, so my Google Photos is going to work out fine at all times. So that's how I personally like to keep it. So I would really appreciate your feedback if you manage to set it up on your device. Just pay attention to the way the app functions to see if it makes any difference. But stay tuned by subscribing for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll catch you later.